A driver signs a lease purchase deal believing he is finally on the road to owning his own truck. But a lease purchase is not the same as buying. It ties your pay, your debt, and your freedom to one company at once. Here is what to read before you sign. General information, not legal advice. The pitch sounds great. Low weekly payment, a late model truck, own it free and clear in a few years, no bank, no credit check. The dream is not the problem. The problem is that the same company paying you for loads also owns your truck, sets your rate, and decides what comes out of your check. One federal rule is meant to protect you, the Truth in Leasing Regulation, 49 CFR, Part 37.6. It governs leases between an authorized carrier and the owner-operator. The key piece is the chargeback section, 37612, subsection H. The lease must specify every item they can deduct from your pay and exactly how each one is computed. Follow the money. You are paid as a contractor, so the costs land on you. Truck payment, insurance, maintenance, tires, fuel, permits, and chargebacks all come out. On a strong week, something is left. But freight slows, a tire blows, the truck sits in the shop. The payments do not slow with your miles. Then comes the week nobody warns you about. Short miles, a repair hits, and the settlement prints below zero. Your costs were larger than your gross, so you actually owe the carrier money. The federal task force found this is not rare. Drivers got negative paychecks and earn far less than the industry average. So he reads the contract too late. If he quits or is terminated, he may walk away owing a balance and lose everything he paid in. There may be a large balloon payment before the title transfers. Dispatch is forced so he cannot haul for anyone else. Then the truck is released to the next driver. The government took a hard look. Congress created the FMCSA Truck Leasing Task Force in the 2021 Infrastructure Law, and it delivered its final report in January 2025. It found fewer than 1 in 100 drivers ever owns the truck, and urged Congress to ban these deals, calling them tools of fraud. Here's the honest part. As of now, Part 376 does not ban predatory lease purchase. It gives you disclosure rights, but it does not stop a stacked contract. The ban is only a recommendation to Congress, not yet law. So your real protection today is reading the contract carefully before you sign. Before you sign, read 4 things. 1. The chargeback schedule and how each item is computed. 2. Who owns the truck at the end and any balloon payment. 3. The exit. Do you walk away clean or owe a balance? 4. Control. Is dispatch forced? If they rush you to sign today, that is your answer. Our driver walked away, poorer but wiser. He went back to a company job, kept his CDL clean, and started saving toward a truck financed through a real lender with a clear title. Owning a rig is a fine goal. A lease purchase from your own dispatcher is just not the only road there. Before you trust any carrier or broker with your future, look them up. Check their authority and their history before you sign or haul. This was general information, not legal advice, so for your own contract, talk to a qualified attorney. Drive safe, and never sign a paper you have not read to the last line.